Kecekau. Sekarang kami di tempat yang baik untuk melakukan kejahatan. This is we call Harimau Hijau. Harimau Malaya. Ini harimau Malaysia. So, manakah Sarah lupa nak tutup wiper sampai habis bagi mengelakkan kecelakaan. Sebab tangan dia nampak lenguh. Betul lah angkat lah. Tapi jangan bagi tahu Sarah tau. Jangan bagi tahu Sarah tau ni. Bukan kereta Sarah. Kebetulan jadi kancing hijau. Bukan kereta Sarah. Bukan kereta Sarah. Saya sebenarnya suka Sarah.
Dia confess. Sarah dah tahu.
Saya dah tahu.
Sarah blushing hari tu.
Dia suka gelak.
Betul lah dia pak tepi Sarah.
Si? Tak lah, ni ada Farid. Farid belah sana.
Ada Farid.
Ini kereta saya. Kereta saya hari ni. Sebelah Sarah.
Sarah consider.
Consider ni. Depan kereta saya boleh golek-golek je. Cuba bayangkan macam nanti aku kereta belah sana. Ni saya ada beli.
Mana ada?
Bagi nampak sempit.
Sini dah kisah.
Sempit. Tak boleh bergerak.
Tapi the fact is that if you see kancing cannot pass straight because they are so tiny.
They thought they are so tiny that people will not notice, but it's actually wrong. You are small and significant. See, there is wildlife here. You must be careful when you saw green kancing because there is a tiger.
Ini sebelah tiger ni.
Tiger ni look like awi. Sehelai baju biru. Ni hijau-hijau. Sehelai kancil hijau.
So,
guys, lagi satu last lah. Sarah suka Lexus, kita dah tahu.
betul ke?
Ada propo Lexus. Sarah suka Lexus guys.
Tapi kan
Dan dia patah.
kalau saya letak saya punya Lexus.
Tapi masih steady lah.
So, dia steady. Saya impress lah. Kalau saya yang tak
Mungkin dah sampai
sampai belakang dah.
kursi belakang.
So guys,
Itu saja.
sekarang kita ada Mahana juga sebenarnya.
Mak jangan sebut sini. Kita tak boleh post.
Edit lah.
Malu lah.
Edit lah.
Okay lah, edit lah. Itu saja daripada kami. Kami nak pergi main werewolf. So kena jumpa harimau dulu lah. Ambil berkat.
Macam nak turunkan ke?
Turunkanlah, saya tak jahat. Boleh kau turun sekarang?
Tak boleh lah. Peliknya.
Kenapa dia nampak lenguh lah? Bila dia letak nampak lenguh. Oh, dia macam melenguhkan. Tak rehat. Dia sangkut. Okay lah guys, kita kena pergi main werewolf sebelum kena baham.
Do you want to say any last word to Saga? Let's go. Let's go to Saga. Talk to him, her, his, non-binary. Them.
Fishdom.
Okay.
So gedung. So this is my kadum. Name brand Saga. I've been using this car for about 1 semester, and it's actually not my own car. It was my sister-in-law's car, but now Saga have been served for me very well. I can make income. I can bring my friends to the happy places. I can bring my mom as well and help my mom, and also Saga have been providing a quite convenient journey to my friend when we are traveling far. And also I love lepaking in Saga alone, and Saga have been witnessing me being the first time president of club, and I believe Saga know what I've been through during this semester. And for information, also this semester can be described as the toughest semester so far. So Saga did help me a lot, supporting me emotionally, financially. So find husband like Saga. Red color. No, I'm joking. So this is Saga last day because tomorrow I will send Saga. Saga will be sent to the Karsum to become somebody's car, someone else's car. But it's not awesome for me.
How are you feeling that you will live without Saga?
I
after
cannot imagine my life without Saga, but I think I can go through this because before this I used to be a very passionate street walker and public transport users. But of course, I bet I will miss driving. Hopefully, I can come back with Proton Iris, insyaAllah. Amin.
And from us, the friend that she drive me a lot inside the Saga, I want to thank you for drive your friend us anywhere, everywhere. Even though sometimes you have financial unstable, but you still, for the sake of making fun to the friend, you still committed to bring Saga.
Same goes as Kanche as well. Before this, Kanche used to be our main transportation, but now I am able to drive my own car, so I repay what Zafira did before. Even she's driving very tirelessly, like she didn't have enough sleep, and she still proceed with the journey. And we don't have driving license there yet. We don't understand the struggle of being driver, but now I feel what Zafira felt before, and that is what I think wherever we going to, if there is option either me or Zafira drive, I will volunteer to drive. Because,
is that why?
Even though I'm tired, because so that Zafira can rest. Before this, she's been going through a lot. So itu Ili, Ehsan,
We are looking forward
Asha,
to your
Huda.
growth. And also, I from a driver POV, I can say that it is so much pain to let car go when we already being with for a long time. And I'm sure it's very pain for you for a while, but I hope you can slowly move on, and inshallah your rezeki fall on you. You will have another car in future.
Actually, I love driving because of the people. If I were alone, I don't know where to go, I don't know what to do. Driving become much fun if you are together with your beloved one. So also this morning I cried 1 unit of tears because suddenly I think I getting emotional because it's almost the time. But this morning I cried because I don't know, I think I look crazy, but after Zafira said, then I think it's okay to be sad.
No, it is not. If I have to let go things that I still speak, of course it will very impact me. Like maybe after you let go, you feel very like powerless, hopeless. you don't know, you will think what after this, how to go here and there. But I hope that you can depend on me. Ask me for help if you want to go anywhere for transportation.
Alright. Suddenly the video become very sentimental. Just now become very mental lah. From mental to sentimental. Bye bye.
So that is the end.
Saga, say bye bye. 1, 2, 3. Bye bye.
Okay, shake hand. Shake hand.
Left hand, right hand. Bye bye Saga. Salam. Salam. Andai je.
Okay, pat.
Nanti saya ambil balik topi ni yang awak boleh ambil.
Say the last word.
Nanti dah dapat tuan baru. Sihatlah selalu. Supaya awak boleh berkhidmat
Kita
dekat
sihat
manusia. Awak sihat je. Awak tak laju ke, awak laju ke. Awak ada rekod yang bersih. Awak dapat pemandu yang bagus. Saya harap pemandu yang bawa awak pun bagus. Tak nak langgar orang, tak nak susahkan orang lain kat atas jalan raya. Orang ke, manusia ke, haiwan ke, pokok ke, semua kita jaga. Jangan langgar siapa-siapa, okey? Lepas tu, jangan batuk-batuk selalu. Okay, kalau nak batuk tu, batuk time ada duit tau. Jangan batuk time tak ada duit. Okay, macam gila kan? Tapi semua benda adalah benda hidup. Semua benda adalah makhluk. Layan mereka seperti makhluk dan layan dengan yang baik. Allahu Akbar.
Alhamdulillah.
Di malam Syaban yang terakhir.
Alright, esok Ramadan. Esok Ramadan kan?
Esok dah 1.
Selamat menyambut puasa.
Selamat menyambut bulan puasa. Ya Allah, tarikh ni sangat cantik. Saya melepaskan sesuatu pada bulan puasa.
Ini apa kita panggil?
Hijrah. Nak cakap hijab tadi.
Hijrah kan?
Hijrah itu satu perjuangan.
So, awak membuat hijrah pengorbanan yang besar.
InsyaAllah. Doakan dapat kereta yang lebih mewah supaya lebih bawa banyak manfaat. Itu je.
Lebih selesa.
Lebih selesa korang.
InsyaAllah. Amin.
Amin.
Okay guys. Also this is the end of us being at IYC. A lot of things happen IYC. So tonight we packing, and also she and me need to pack, put our stuff inside the car and put at home and others. And tomorrow we're gonna go
Send the international student to the airport.
Yes.
And we're going to have our first day of Ramadan
Yes.
on Sunday. Today is Friday,
Yes.
isn't it? Oh, it's already Saturday. It's 2 a.m.
Yeah, so hello Ramadan.
Hello Ramadan.
Hopefully we will be doing Ramadan better than previous
Ramadan.
years.
InsyaAllah.
Ramadan. Amin.
Himne.
Himne sayo.
Nampak besar dah muka. Muka memang besar kan, tak boleh buat apa.
Muka saya pun besar, jangan risau.
By the way, we speak English very well, right? Because we've been with the international student for 9 days.
I thought 8 days, yes. Not,
8 days.
I actually don't feel very the 9 days. I don't feel it.
Feel like 3 days.
Yes. Feel very,
Feel like
very.
we just started touring together. Suddenly end.
Yes. Even though I feel like tired, but after the tired day, gone.
Yes.
Like today.
Yes.
I'm not sure why I was tired. Yes.
We are tired, but we don't know our limit.
Yes.
That's why we still wake up at this time.
I want to enjoy the last moment.
And then
Yeah.
after this, we can sleep. We can do everything at our home. Since the semester will begin online class.
Yes. We will not see each other for a long time.
Yeah, we will not see each other, as well as Ili, Ehsan, Huda, Aisyah, Alisa dan Nana.
I will miss Meow.
I hope they are resting well and not feeling stressed about the final exam anymore, as well as the course registration. Oh my god, we didn't choose the FYP title yet.
I haven't yet. FYP registration course. Have you done
Those I
registration?
also did not do anything.
Yes, I am so.
We just don't want to interrupt our thoughts.
My
that
mind
yet.
cannot do like split. Do this, do that.
We're not ready yet.
I need to
We
focus
time.
on this international thing.
Yes, let's focus on ISS first. After this, we can open laptop and just face the laptop screen for the whole day.
Right.
It's okay. We live to the fullest. So Aisyah, Alisa, Nana also need to do like that. Ehsan also, Lily also, Budak also. No worries, next semester insyaAllah going to be fine.
InsyaAllah, amin. Okay guys.
Nampak sedih, nampak sembak ke muka. Muka memang sedih ke?
Ha, what are you doing?